If your headlights are losing their shine and turning yellow, you can restore them back to near new condition in a few simple steps. Here's what you'll need: a headlight restoring kit, masking tape, a clean, soft cloth, and gloves. Prepare the headlights by masking off the paintwork. Squeeze a small amount of headlight restoration cleaning solution onto the provided cleaning pad. Using a backward and forward motion, sand the entire surface. Here's a tip: the surface is ready when it has a frosted appearance across the headlight. Wipe clean with a damp cloth, then leave to dry. Apply 2 to 3 coats of Meguiar's 2-step headlight restoration coating to seal the headlight lens. Then wait 2 to 3 minutes before applying the next layer. Leave to cure for 24 hours. There you go. Your headlights are as good as new. And now, you've done it right.
Autobarn.
Top Gear, low prices.